Do you guys remember what we were doing yesterday? So let me check who all are here in the classroom. So we have Ahana, Noah, Ria, Sriyanvi with a friend. What's your name, beta?
Her name is Janvi.
Janvi, Sriyanvi and Janvi. Wonderful. Rhyming names. Then we have Mandeep, Riyan, Samanvita, Anika, Sivakeswa, Savi G, and Ved. Yeah? And everybody keep your videos on, okay? I'm better off as a teacher when I see the kids face to face. Alright? Hello, Yugen. Bless you. So, do you guys remember what we learned in the last class? That is to be done outside the class, not in the classroom. No sharpening of the pencil, no eraser. You wake up, sit properly, and 1 hour with full attention. Okay, so what did we learn in the last class? Who remembers? Yeah, go ahead.
We were talking about area and perimeter.
Of
I think circles.
circles. Ria, do you agree? Ria, you're talking to the mute button. And mute button is not my friend. I cannot hear you better.
Wasn't it semicircles?
Circles, basically circles. So circle can be semicircle, it could be 1/4 of a circle, but net we were talking about area and perimeter of a circle. Yeah? Everybody agrees?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yes, Shanvi.
I was going to ask. I was going to answer the question that you just asked.
Okay, cool. So don't worry about it. I have one of my most hated friend called AI, whom I killed just now. Okay. So what we are going to do today is we are going to talk about how to find out area and perimeter of a rhombus and kite. Who all knows what is a rhombus? Who all remembers? You know what is a rhombus? No? Okay. Yes, Mandeep. Let's see what rhombus is as per Mandeep.
The rhombus is a quadrilateral shape,
Mm-hmm.
which a square is squeezed
Uh-huh.
into a rhombus.
Okay. I'm happy, Mandeep, that you gave me the definition that I had given you. Okay, you remember that. At least you have the picture in your mind. Let's see what Samanvita says. Yes, Samanvita, what do you remember?
A rhombus is a four-sided polygon.
Uh-huh. And let's see what Shyamvi says. Shyamvi has raised her hand? No? Okay. Noah, go ahead with that.
I have anything.
Okay, it's okay.
A rhombus is basically like a diamond,
Uh-huh.
and it's like twisted to the side.
Okay. Alright, wait.
A rhombus is a square, but a square is a rhombus, but a rhombus is not a square.
Okay. So here's the thing. Rhombus is, so I heard some definition, so probably I'll get started, okay? So Anika and Sanvi ji, I did not let you speak, but I got some information from the class and I'll let you guys participate, okay? Don't worry about it, okay? So as Mandeep helped me recall, a rhombus, you can make a rhombus by squeezing a square. If I'm talking about a square, it has 4 sides. All the 4 sides are of same length. And kids who are busy with something interesting, don't do that. Focus on the board only. So Nihit, I will give you a chair, you will sit here. Because I cannot see you, I would not know what is going on. Sit here. your bag there. Nobody will steal your bag. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. And make sure that you are staying a little away from the heater, okay? Keep your feet away from it. So, a rhombus is something which is made from a square. Take a square and squeeze it from two corners. Guys, if anybody is getting tempted, hold it. I'll come to it. You will have a lot of opportunity to answer, okay? Don't worry about it. If you're talking about a square has four sides. It's a quadrilateral. It has four sides. All the sides are same and every angle is 90 degrees. But if you take a square and squeeze from two corners, it becomes like this. It becomes taller and thinner. So when you squeeze the square, it became taller and thinner. What it means is, the square had all four sides same, the sides will remain the same, but the angles will not remain 90 degrees. Gujarat, find a chair for yourself and sit in front of me there. And be quick. I'm not going to wait for eternity for you guys to settle down. And make sure you don't have, nobody has any friend in the class. Because friends are a big distraction when we are learning math. Mandeep, hold your horses. I'll come to you. We'll have to cut down on the talking also. So if we have a square, meaning which has all four sides, we squeeze from two corners, so it became taller and thinner. So if a square had all four sides same, rhombus also have four sides same. Is this part okay, everybody? Everybody okay? Shiranvi, you had raised your hand. Any question that you had? No?
I was just going to ask what angle would a rhombus have?
Doesn't matter. It will not be 90 degrees for sure. Okay? Yeah, Mandeep.
Anything that is lower than 90 degrees is called acute angle, and anything is more than 90 degrees is a obtuse angle.
But how is that related to this rhombus?
The rhombus is less than 90 degrees, so it's an acute angle.
No. That's why anything that we talk about, we'll have to be thoughtful about it. Look at this. When you are squeezing it from two corners, two of the angles became smaller than 90 degrees. So you have two acute angles. But if you look at these two angles, it became bigger than 90 degrees. So a rhombus doesn't have all angles less than 90 degrees. Two of the angles will be bigger than 90 degrees, two will be smaller than 90 degrees. See, when you are squeezing it, what happens? These two sides expand, and these two sides, these two sides here, they expand, and the gap between them becomes bigger, like what you are seeing here. And these two sides contract, they come closer. So these two angles are smaller than 90 degrees, these two angles are larger than 90 degrees. Yeah? So it will be unfair or it will be incorrect to say that rhombus has all the angles less than 90 degrees. No. Yeah? Does it make sense, Ahana? Are you with me, beta? No, okay?
I was at the bathroom.
Okay. So I will not say anything after that. Yep.
What are we doing?
Dancing.
This is not time to dance. Class, this
Okay.
is a math class.
So here, I have been talking about rhombus for last 10 minutes. A child joins with a delay of 5 minutes. And the question that comes to me is, what are we doing? My obvious response was, we are dancing. This is fun time, guys. Thanksgiving break. Yeah? No, we are not dancing. We are talking about rhombus. In the last class, we talked about area and perimeter of circle. So we are taking a step towards finding out area and perimeter of rhombus and kite. Yeah?
Yes.
Nobody's dancing, right?
But he's dancing.
Please don't. You can dance after the class gets over. Say, hey, we got rid of this old man. We are fine. Now we'll have fun. But not during the class, after the class. I forgot your name, Peter. Cia. Okay. So Cia, are you able to follow what we are doing? We just had a square and we just squeezed it. That's all. And then whatever we got, that we are calling as rhombus. Okay. So if you're talking about a square, all sides are of same length. Rhombus also have all sides of same length. But this is not like a square. It is squeezed, thinner version of a square. Okay. All right. Mandeep will not talk a lot. You'll have to control talking part. Okay. Otherwise, there will be a lot of wastage of time. So, this is the rhombus. Now, how do I find out the area of a rhombus? Let's clean up the board a little bit. Nihit, are you drawing rhombus or you are drawing the sketch of Mr. Junior NTR? What is going on, Rudrash? No, you'll sit on this chair. Give it back. You guys are overly sensitive about comfort. Not needed. Am I talking about my comfort right now? Sit down properly. I'm not going to entertain anything that distracts you guys from studies. Okay? Pay attention here. Now, this is a rhombus. And guys, too much of comfort is not good. If I give you guys the luxury, people will start leaning on the floor as if we are on a beach right now. We are not on a beach. We are doing some serious learning. So this is a rhombus, okay? So this side, this side, this side, this side are same. If I have to find out the area of the rhombus, I will tell you guys that let's look at this picture a little bit more. What I'm doing is, I am joining the two opposite corners. And what you see here, what did I do? Yep.
I think you're talking about rhombus.
What is that?
I think you're talking about something else.
One more time.
I thought you were talking about something else about the rhombus.
No. So that's what I'm saying. So this is rhombus still. What I did was I joined the opposite corners. Okay? So I'm saying by joining the opposite corners, what do you see here? Yes.
It's a triangle if you like split it.
Okay. Let's see what Mandeep says. I'll come to you, Judge.
Half at the base and height.
I'm sorry?
Half at the base and height.
Guys, first thing is concept, then comes the answer. Okay? Okay, no, guys, no laughing time. Pay attention to what I'm doing here. You have to think about it. Without you also. You have to think about it. Sit down properly. Here. So here, my question was, when I join the two opposite corners, what do I see? So you said that he's seeing a triangle. Yes.
You split it?
Okay. Nobody is super intelligent here. Neither am I. So let's not laugh at anybody. Let's be focused about ourselves. Okay. Yes, Shyamji, what is your point that you want to share? Same. It's making a triangle. Yes, Sanvi, what do you see? Sanvi B.
I didn't share the table yesterday, the picture.
What is that, beta?
I didn't share the table yesterday, so can you do it after me?
Not today, beta. We'll do it in the next class, okay? So that we can focus on this one, okay? So, okay, now for everybody to understand this. We had a rhombus. What I did was I joined the two opposite corners. And what you can see here is these two sides, these two line segments that we see here, these are called diagonals, and they are splitting this into 4 right angle triangles like what you said. That this is breaking this whole rhombus into 4 right angle triangles. So my area of this rhombus will be 4 times the area of every triangle that you see. So this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, they are all the same. And my area of the rhombus would be equal to, now let's say this was my rhombus A, B, C and D. This one AC, and BD. These are called diagonals. When I join the two opposite corners of a rhombus, these two sides are called diagonals. And area of the rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. What happened? Okay.
Can I borrow a pencil?
Yeah. So you don't have to even ask me, just go and get one. Okay. So here, if I have a see, we learned about how to find out the area of a rectangle, length and width. We found out how to find out the area of a square, length into length, because all the sides are same. We found out how to find the area of rectangle, half into base into height. We found out how to derive the area of a circle, pi r square, meaning pi into r. We are talking about rhombus. There is no radius. We know all the sides are same. But when it comes to finding out the area of a rhombus, you go by this thing, the diagonals. We split this into 4 equal triangles, and the area of the whole rhombus would be half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So if I ask you guys to find out the area of a rhombus and give you the length of the two diagonals, that will be enough. You will multiply them and divide that by 2. And that will be the area of your rhombus. Now you guys will say how and why. And my response to that would be, I will not tell you why. Because this needs us to understand some more concepts around congruence of triangles. Okay? Congruence of triangle, that's a very loaded concept that you guys will learn from me when you guys grow up a little bit more. Okay? Meaning 7th or 8th grade is when I'll explain this to you guys. Okay? For now, you learn this as a formula, and when you guys grow up a little bit more, I'll help you recall. Remember, I had told you the area of a rhombus is half into diagonal 1 to diagonal 2, and then I'll say, now let's prove it. Let's see it. Okay? So not right now. If I do it now, you guys will start scratching your head, and the outcome is less hair. So we'll not do that now. I don't want you guys to lose hair so fast. Yes, someone with her.
So do we have to add diagonal 1 and diagonal 2?
We don't have to add them. We have to multiply both the diagonals and then divide that by 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
If he has the lesser, and still you will see us having a Chinese bond.
No, that's okay, but I don't want you guys to lose hair that fast. I lost hair after 25, 26, so you guys are way too young to lose hair right now. Yes, Mandeep.
So if we do perimeter, we do a half plus diagonal 1 plus diagonal 2.
This is not perimeter, this is area.
Yeah.
Perimeter is much simpler thing to do. Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. So you'll add this and this. And again, in rhombus, all the 4 sides are same. So 4 times the side will be a perimeter of a rhombus. Okay? Noah, what's going on? Are you able to follow me better? Okay. Shanti, how about you? Yeah, go ahead.
I understood a little bit.
I'm sorry, better?
I understood a
Little
little bit.
bit. Simple thing is, if I have a rhombus is nothing but a squeezed version of a square. Meaning all the 4 sides are of same length, but I squeezed them, became thinner and taller. So, if I have to find out the perimeter, I will add all the 4 sides, which are same, so 4 times this one. But for finding the area of a rhombus, there is a little bit of information that you need to be aware of, which is that if you have a rhombus, if you join the 2 opposite corners, it breaks this into 4 equal triangles, and the side that joins the 2 opposite corners are called diagonals. So this is one diagonal, this is another diagonal. So if you have to find out the area of this guy, it will be half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, or diagonal 1 to diagonal 2 divided by 2. Yeah? Yeah. Yes, Sandy.
So
which way? Half into diagonal 1 to diagonal 2 means multiply half with diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Or multiply diagonal 1, diagonal 2 and then divide by 2. Both are same. Multiplying by half is as good as dividing by 2. Yeah? If I say 4 into 1 by 2, that becomes 4 into 1 by 2. So it is as good as dividing by 2. Yeah? Yep.
Yeah.
Anybody has question here?
No.
Okay. Now, if you guys don't have question, I have question for you. Let's see if whatever speech I was giving you guys, that has gone or reached you all, or it has gone down the drain. So this is a rhombus or a diamond, whatever you call it. I told you guys the length of this side is 12 centimeter. This length, okay? And then this diagonal and this diagonal. Diagonal 1, this was the diagonal 1 is 18 centimeter and diagonal 2 is 8 centimeter. I want you guys to find out the area and perimeter of this rhombus. Do it before you raise your hand. What is that to raise your hand? No. If I'm talking to you, you will know I'm talking to you. So, again, I have a rhombus. One diagonal is this one. I'm calling it D1. And second diagonal is D2. Again, if any of you forgot what is diagonal, diagonal is the length of the side by joining two opposite corners. So this is one line segment which is joining these two corners, which is D1, and the length of that is given as 18 centimeter. This is the second diagonal which is joining this corner and this corner, and that is diagonal 2, which is of length 8 centimeter. I want you guys to find out the area and perimeter of the rhombus. Ved, are you clear?
Yes.
Trying it? Okay.
Do we have to draw it?
You don't have to draw it. As long as you can find out the area and perimeter, I'm fine. Even without drawing it. Yeah, Ved, what are you saying? Go ahead.
The area that I got for the rhombus is 72 centimeters squared.
Okay? And,
I'm figuring out the perimeter.
okay. How about Sanvi G?
Sir, the area I got for this is 63, but what is that for
What's it? 63 what?
63 centimeters?
Say it loud, one more time.
63 centimeters.
Area is 63 centimeters. Area is never in centimeters. It will be always a square of the unit. So if it's in centimeter, it will be 63 centimeters square. I'm not saying that is correct or wrong, but I'm saying the unit has to be 60 centimeters square. I mean, in the square, okay? How about perimeter? Yeah, go ahead.
What's wait. I forgot what it's called, but what do you do to find out the perimeter?
Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary, entire boundary.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Samanvita. I'll come to you. Samanvita, go ahead.
I got 72 centimeters square.
Okay, that is the.
Area.
How about perimeter?
I still need to check.
Okay, Noah.
I'm not sure if this is right, but for perimeter, I got 48
You got 48 what?
centimeters.
Okay, how about area?
I'm not sure on the area.
Okay, we'll see. Rian's.
I got 72 centimeters.
Centimeters.
Yeah,
That is area.
but centimeters square.
Centimeters square.
I think that's my perimeter.
Now, so think about it and tell me what is area, how much is area, how much is perimeter, okay?
I
Yes, Rudraj. What did you get?
I have a question.
Okay.
I have two.
Huh?
I have two questions.
Okay. I asked one question, you asked me two questions. I taking revenge from me. Okay, go ahead.
So is the formula is pi into diagonal 1 and diagonal 2?
Yeah?
And is there and nothing else?
Do it. Yeah.
I did.
No, you do it, but
I
just
did-
refrain from talking. Do it.
I know.
No,
About
no.
the other.
I'm talking to Rudraj. Rudraj was raising hand. I said, first you complete the problem.
I don't hear it.
Okay, then I'll come to you. There are all kids. There are a lot of kids in the class. Yeah. Quick.
I found the perimeter, but I got confused about the area.
How much is the perimeter?
From 48 centimeters.
Okay, we'll come to that. Anika. Anika in the class on screen. Anika, how much? What is the answer, beta?
I got for perimeter 48 centimeters, but I'm still doing area.
Okay. Sanviji, what did you get?
My answer for area is 72 centimeters, and my answer for perimeter is 48 centimeters.
So area will not be in centimeters. It will be centimeter square.
72 centimeters square.
Yep. Okay. Shanvi.
For area, I got 72 centimeters square, and for perimeter, I got 48 centimeters.
Okay. Same thing. Good friends together. Okay. Let's see what Rian's got.
I got 72 centimeters square as area.
And perimeter?
The perimeter, I'm still doing.
Okay. Mandeep?
So for my area, I got 144. For my perimeter, I got 52.
144 what?
144 centimeters square
Okay. And perimeter?
and 52 centimeters.
Okay. Wade?
For the perimeter, I got 48 centimeters.
Okay. Area you had told me any which way. Okay. Sanviji?
I changed my answer for the area. I got 72 centimeters squared, and then I got for the perimeter, I got 48 centimeters squared.
Okay.
For the area, I got 72 square centimeter, and for the perimeter, I got 52 centimeter.
How much?
And for the perimeter, I got 52 centimeter.
52. Okay. Sivakeshwar, what did you get?
So for area, I got 100 centimeters squared, and for perimeter, I got 50 centimeters.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Sanviji, you have raised your hand still? You told me the answers. How about Riyaz? You have told the answer as well. Hands down.
Yeah, so for my perimeter, I got 48 centimeters.
Okay. Anyone in the class who has not? Okay. Nate, what did you get? Are you solving or are you drawing? Drawing? Don't draw. Solve. Rudraj, what did you get?
For the area, I got 48 centimeters square, and for the perimeter, area, I got 144 centimeters square, and for the perimeter, I got 48 centimeters square.
Okay. Samanvita, what did you get, beta?
The perimeter, I got 48 centimeters square.
Perimeter, you got 48 centimeters square. And I'm asking the question just to make sure that I clear the doubt in everybody's mind. So perimeter.
Centimeters.
Yes, your case was not for you. I'm asking someone with that. So your perimeter will not be square, okay? Because you are measuring length. 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter. It becomes centimeter. Anika?
Area, I got 72 centimeters square.
Wonderful. Okay, now regardless of who got what, now look at this one. Anika, here beta. Anika, Nikhil, and again forgot your name beta. I forgot your name beta. I forgot your name again. Like always. One more time, your name? Sia, okay. Sia, I'm getting old. Sia. So here, what did we learn in the beginning? I said area of a rhombus is diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. Was there any doubt with respect to what I said? There should not be.
No.
Because, don't say no. Because you are the one who gave me 144 centimeters square. Area of a rhombus is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. See, life could get as easy as you want it to be. You guys are making it complicated. Half into diagonal 1. My diagonal 1 is given as 18 centimeter. My diagonal 2 is given as 8 centimeter. I do not have intelligence and I am still able to manage this. I just used half into D1 into D2. That's all. No intelligence needed, okay? You guys are much better off. So here I have this number, this number, this number. I'll multiply centimeter with centimeter. That became centimeter square. Let's put the numbers together. Half into 18 into 8. So this becomes 18 into 8 into 1 by 2 centimeter square. See, my story goes step by step. I'm not jumping any step anywhere. So now 18 into 8 by 2. Okay, what I can do, 18 I can write as 2 into 9. 8 I can write as 4 into 2 into 1 by 2. This 2 and this 2 tic-tac-toe. So I have 2 into 9 into 4. Or 2 into 4 is 8 times 9, 72. 72 centimeter square. Most of you got it right. Some of you forgot to divide that by 2. That is how you got 144 square centimeter.
I did it right.
Yeah, no, I'm saying some of you who missed it. That was because you forgot about this 2. Half into D1 to D2. Meaning you have to divide whatever you got by multiplying D1 and D2, you have to divide that by 2. Does it make sense to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good job. So here, look at this. My job is to keep it as simple as possible for you guys. What did I say in the beginning? My diagonal 1 and diagonal 2 are the two sides or line which is joining the two opposite corners. We'll use this information for finding out the area. I'll multiply diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, divide that by 2. That is my formula for the area. You guys have all the reasons to tell me or ask me why. I'm telling you, give me 2 years time. I will learn and explain that to you guys. I need, as you guys know, I'm not super intelligent. So it will take me 2 years to learn something new. It will take me 2 years to learn how to find out the formula for this one. No, I'm just kidding. I know it now also. But I'm not trying to teach you guys something which is for the next level or for higher grades. Once you guys learn about similarity of triangles or congruence of triangles, that is when we will talk about this. That is when it will make more sense to you also. Now if I try explaining it, I will just get everybody concerned, worried, horrified, petrified, whatever you call it.
Some people will sleep.
Some people will sleep, some people will start drawing picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Yeah? Alright?
Yes, sir.
Is everybody okay?
Yes, sir.
Noah okay? Shayali okay? Riyans? Anika? Okay. Now, second question was how to find out the perimeter of a rhombus. As long as you guys know that, see rhombus, that's why I was playing with it. Saying a rhombus is formed by squeezing a square, meaning rhombus also have all the sides same. If somebody asks me to find out the perimeter, first thing is I'll figure out, okay, do I know all the sides? I know this side. And this is a squeezed form of a square, meaning the length of the sides will be the same. So this is 12, this is 12, this is 12, this is 12. 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter, 24 centimeter. Plus 12 centimeter, 36 centimeter. Plus 12 centimeter, 48 centimeters. That's it. Guys, stop playing with emojis. That fun you can do after the class. Yep.
I didn't know how did you get 48 centimeters?
12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. 4 times 12.
And what was 18 centimeter about?
18 centimeter was the length of the diagonal.
Oh.
18 and 8. This is the length of diagonal. But when we are talking about perimeter, we are just talking about the length of the boundary. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make sense, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now, a kite. This is seriously a time to play. Ahana, are you clear, beta?
Yay.
Wade, Ahana, Sanvi B, Sanvi G. Yep. Swanvita, okay? Alright. And Shivakeshva, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mandeep, any doubt, beta? Mandeep, are you clear? Okay. Alright. Shyamji, I forgot the name of your friend.
What did you say?
I forgot your friend's name.
Jonathan.
Janvi. So Janvi and Shyamji, are you guys clear?
Yes.
Yeah? Janvi and Shyamji. Yeah, see, there is a child named Shia in the class. She came to my class after 2 years. I think 2 years. After 2 years? Maybe 1 year. So I met her 1 year ago and she told me her name 3 times already and I keep forgetting it every 15 minutes. So for Janvi, if I forgot your name, beta, that is nothing to do with your name. It's my age. I'm getting too old to remember things. I might come to the class one day and start teaching you guys social studies. Yeah? I'm being forgetful. Okay, so this is our rhombus. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
If you are given a rhombus, it is nothing but a squeezed square. You have to find out the perimeter, 4 times the length of the side. You have to find out the area, find out the length of the diagonals, multiply them and divide that by 2. Done deal. Only word of caution here is, when you are talking about area, your area will never be centimeters or inches or miles or kilometers. It will be square of that, because whenever you are calculating area, you are multiplying one side or one dimension with another dimension. One side or dimension will be in meters, centimeter, inches. When you are multiplying meter with meter, it becomes meter square. Centimeter with centimeter, centimeter square. Inches with inches, inches square. So if you ever get any area which is in centimeter, that's a red flag. Think about it, you might have missed something. Yeah? Your area is never supposed to be in centimeters, meters, kilometers, miles. It has to be a square of the unit. Similarly, if you're talking about perimeter, perimeter is the length of the boundary. Let's say Syanvi lives very far from where I live. If I ask, how far is Syanvi from my place? That is, I'm talking about the distance. She will say 1,000 miles. She will not say 1,000 miles square. Yeah? So the length or the distance is always in miles, kilometers, inches, centimeters. It is not square. When you talk about area, you are multiplying 2 dimensions, that's when you get a square. Clear?
Yeah.
Anna, clear beta? Anika, clear? No, clear? Make sure that none of you get your area in centimeters. And none of you get your perimeter in square of any unit. Okay? Alright. Now, time to play. Time to play with what? Play with what? Not play with anything. Play with math is what I mean. And if I start playing with subject, I might start social studies or US history. So let's come back to what we want to do. So now there is another shape that I am talking about, and that is called kite. What is that you need to know about a kite? Some of you, keep your mouth closed, mosquitoes might fly in. Yes, Shanvi, what do you know about a kite?
A kite is a quadrilateral.
Hmm. Think and raise your hand. Just raising the hand doesn't give anybody a prize. Yes, Mandeep. Yeah, that's okay. What is a kite?
So when you say a big kite, the first I think of is it two of the sides. Two sides are the same. Two sides are the same. There's two different types of sides. Like not all sides are even.
So Mandeep, I'm very happy that you are listening to what we are doing in the class and you are describing it in a way that I can relate at least. So thank you so much for that. You are paying attention. That I'm very happy about. Mishika.
A kite is in the shape of a rhombus.
Looks somewhat similar to rhombus, but not rhombus. Because rhombus has a problem of all the sides being of same length. Let's see what Ria says. Yes, Ria.
A kite has two parallel lines and has two obtuse angles and two acute angles.
So two obtuse angles and two acute angles probably I will agree to, but two parallel lines I'm not sure. Okay? Because I don't know if these two are parallel or not. I don't know if these two are parallel or not.
If they meet or not.
Okay? Wait. Sadly B. Go ahead.
The kite is a quadrilateral with four sides that one, like two sides are really long and the two sides are short.
Okay?
It's kind of like a rhombus but longer.
Longer.
Squeeze it more.
It's like you take a rhombus and treat the rhombus like a play-doh and stretch it at the bottom. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Anika, what is that?
A kite is a four-sided polygon.
Yeah. So, this one, I said, I was seeing a dance like this. And this dance I see on YouTube every day after dinner. I watch something called Daily Dose of Internet, where sometimes they put parrots, okay, or those small birds, and when they play music, they will do dance like this. That's what Rudrash is doing. Right, yeah. So here, Yavid, what is your definition of a kite?
A kite has two sides the same length and the other two sides are the same length.
Right. So let me see whatever I heard from you guys. Since I have a limitation with my knowledge, my intelligence level, and my memory now with age, so I will just use whatever you guys said. I just borrowed information from you all, and I'm just doing a recap of that. So kite, yeah.
Like if we share or borrow information, that's called cultural diffusion.
Alright. So let's stick to the agenda of the class. And here, a kite is obviously a quadrilateral, four sides, where top two sides are of same length, bottom two sides are of same length, and it resembles a little bit with a rhombus, but rhombus has one thing that we all know, that all the four sides are of same length. This length, this length, this length, this length are the same, because this is a squeezed version of a square. This is not. Okay? Yeah, Mishika, you're saying something.
If you put a line in the middle of a kite, it would be symmetrical. Because it's
Yeah, it's a symmetric shape. It will be symmetrical. So if I put a line here, this kite will be symmetric around this line, this side and this side. If I put a line here, this will not be symmetrical. But the good thing is, okay, everybody control your emotions. We have only 10 more minutes for the class. Take a deep breath. Okay? And be happy about the fact that just 10 more minutes and the break from this old man for next 1 week. Yeah? But I'll still give you guys assignments.
Because next week
We don't have class, that's what I'm saying. So break from me for 2 weeks that way. Yeah?
2 weeks?
What about on next Sunday?
Next Sunday no class. Next week I said. So next weekend, Saturday, Sunday no class. And we are meeting the week following.
No, Monday.
You have a class on Monday?
No, mother's gonna have a class on Monday.
Monday we'll have. Okay, let's not stress discussions for no good reason. You guys don't have a class next weekend, that's what I'm saying. That is on the occasion of Thanksgiving. Advik, you are 11 minutes early for the class. You might want to drop off and join back after 10 minutes. Nikhil, this iPad might fall on your head or her head. Keep your feet away from this thing. Okay.
I was just scratching it.
Yeah. So now, kite, as I said, kite looks somewhat similar to the diamond, but the diamond or the rhombus, but the rhombus has all 4 sides same. This one has only top 2 sides same and bottom 2 sides same. But there is a property here also. This one is a diagonal, this one is a diagonal. And here also, the same formula that we learned, area of a kite is also same as, since you guys see that there is some similarity here, area of the kite is also same as half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So rhombus and kite have the same formula for finding the area. Oh, that's fine. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
So as long as you remember the formula for area for rhombus, same would be the area of kite also. And again, as I said, for this guy also, I will make you guys wait for 2 more years before I explain you why. And that why you will appreciate when we talk about similarity and congruence concepts of triangle. Okay? Don't stress out about it for now. For now, kite and rhombus look similar, so their area follows the same formula, half into diagonal 1 to diagonal 2. Yes.
So, what's the perimeter formula for kite and rhombus?
So there is no, see, only for things like circle, you would need to know the formula. For everything else, you will just measure the length of the side. So as long as you know the property. Now if you look at a kite, somebody gives you this side as 15 centimeter and this side as, let's say, 8 centimeter. For you the perimeter is this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. Top 2 sides are same. So if this is 8, this will be 8. If this is 15, this will be 15. Add them together. That's it. Man, I am seeing something interesting. Anika, you don't have a flower? Like Sanvi B, Mishika and Sanvi G? No, so not Sanvi G. Sanvi G doesn't have flowers. Ahana, Sanvi B and Mishika. Okay. So I see you guys are making use of the AI to make it fun. And I know there's a reason for you guys to be happy because it's hurry to time. So I want you guys to be super happy about it. It doesn't come easy. You have to go through the entire 6 months of rigorous school, do a lot of homework, assignments, bear with somebody like me who keeps bugging you with concepts and then gives you assignment, and then comes the holidays. So you should enjoy it for sure. Yes, Sanvi.
I'm in 5th grade, so next year I'm going to 6th grade.
And that is when you will join level 2 and I'll torture you more.
So I'm joining level 2 with my sister next year.
I'm sorry?
So I'm joining level 2 with my sister.
Yeah. Next year again. After few months, once we see that okay, fine, we are ready. Kids who are in 5th grade, they will move to level 2. Yes, Mishika.
Oh, I'm in 5th grade.
So you also have a few months before you get bothered by me more.
Same.
Yeah? Yeah,
When
same.
I'm going to join the local class.
You are in which grade right now?
6th grade.
You are in?
6th grade.
You're in 6th grade? I'll talk to daddy after a few months we can. Okay? So here's the thing. What did we learn today? We learned about how to find out the area and perimeter of rhombus and kite. And the main thing that we have to take into account is being aware of the properties. If I'm talking about rhombus, all 4 sides are same. If I'm talking about kite, only top 2 sides and these 2 sides are same. And for kite and rhombus, the same formula we use for finding out the area, that is half into diagonal 1 to diagonal 2. What is diagonal? Diagonals are the sides that are joining the opposite corners. So this is diagonal 1, this is diagonal 2. Here diagonal 1, diagonal 2. Or you can say this is diagonal 1, this is diagonal 2, doesn't matter. You multiply the diagonals, divide that by 2, that will be your area formula for rhombus and kite both. And that being said, I don't have anything else to talk about. I can sing a song, show you guys some dance steps if you want to. But otherwise, we are good to... Man, don't put me on the spot. If I dance, the floor might break. Okay? So, but that brings us to the end of the class. I'll happily let you guys go 5 minutes early. Enjoy the holiday season. Make sure that you guys stay safe, eat well, sleep well, take good care of yourself, and have fun. Yeah? 5 minutes early. Alright, bye-bye. Thank you.